Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the second video of Linux for Hacking series. In this video, we will learn some important shortcut key used in Linux, which will be helpful to improve productivity and speed of your work on the Linux. So let's start. First shortcut key that we will see is Alt plus Control plus T. This shortcut key is used to open the terminal on Windows in Linux. So let's see. Either we can use this icon to open the terminal. If I will click on this icon, we can open the terminal window, or we can press Alt Control plus T. So you can see I am successfully opened this terminal by using Alt Control plus T. Second shortcut key is Window key plus arrow key. Windows key plus arrow key is used to direct the location of windows and tile them appropriately. For example, I want to tile this terminal on the right side. So I will use the shortcut key window key plus right arrow. Tile this terminal window on left side, then I will press window key plus left arrow button. If I want to tile, if I want this terminal window to occupy full screen of the Linux, then I will press window key plus up arrow. If I want to minimize this terminal window, then I can press window key plus down arrow. Next shortcut key host key plus C, where host key is nothing but right side control key on the keyboard. There are two control keys on the keyboard. One is left side and the right side. So right side control key works as a host key in the Linux. So if I will press right side control key plus C, then we can return from scale mode to window mode or window mode to scale mode, vice versa. For example, this is the window mode. If I want to go from window mode to scale mode, then I can simply press right control key plus C. Let's see. Right control plus C. So it's asking, see a virtual machine window will be now switched to scale mode. You can go back to window mode at any time by pressing host plus C, where host is nothing but right control key. Note that the host key is currently defined as the right control. So let's press it. Now we have changed from window mode to scale mode. Next shortcut key is host key plus home, where host key is again right control key and home. So to access the menu bar in scale mode, if you will see here in scale mode, I am not able to see the menu bar, which was visible in Windows mode. So what we will do, I will press right side control plus home button on the keyboard. So you can see I am able to see the menu bar, which was visible in the Windows mode. Next shortcut key is Control plus Shift plus plus. Suppose I open this terminal. Now I want to increase the font size of Kali at the rate Kali or all the menu in the terminal. Then I will press Control plus Shift plus plus button. Control plus Shift. I will hold Control plus Shift, Control and Shift button, and then I will press plus continuously to increase the size of font according to our needs. Again, if I want to decrease the size of this font, then I should use the shortcut key Control plus minus, and I will hold the Control button and then I will press minus continuously to decrease the size, and I will stop at the point which shows me font size is okay for me. Next shortcut key is Control plus L, which is used to clear any screen in the terminal. Suppose I used ls command to display the list of directories or files on the screen. Now I want to clear this screen, so I can clear this by using either clear command or by using shortcut key. If I will use clear command, it will be cleared, or we can suppose again I'm using ls minus a to display all the directory or file. Then again I want to clear this screen. So then I can use Control plus L to clear the screen. Let's press Control plus L. So I'm able to clear the screen by using shortcut key Control plus L. Next shortcut key is Control plus C, which is used to terminate currently running process and return to your shell. Suppose I am running Nmap application. Now I want to terminate this application. For that, I have to use shortcut key Control plus C. Press Control plus C. So you can see I'm out of this application, and now this is my current shell. Next, suppose again I want to run our application. Now this time instead of terminating, I want to suspend this application. Then for that, I should use the shortcut key Control plus Z. Now if I will use Control plus Z, it has been suspended. Next shortcut key is Control plus D. It is used to log out from current terminal. Suppose I want to exit from this terminal. So I can either click on this cross button, or I can use the shortcut key Control plus D. If I will press Control plus D, Control plus D, then I have exited from the terminal. So this was the lecture number 2 of Linux for hacking series. If you want to see the next video of this series, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.